Hi all, welcome to your channel Simplified Home DIY. In our today's video, we are going to make a beautiful home decor piece. Isn't this a beautiful home decor? I have took a black foam sheet. I am going to cut it into halves as shown. Now I have got this long strip on which I will trace a leaf shape with a pencil. If you're new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to be notified for our future videos. Cut this leaf carefully with the help of a crafting blade. If you desire, you can shape it like a flower or whichever design you like. I have took an OHP sheet, that is an overhead projector sheet, cutting it into a square. OHP sheet is a transparent sheet. In place of an OHP sheet, you can also use any transparent plastic. I have stuck the OHP sheet on the back side of the leaf with the help of Fevibond, or you can also use a hot glue. I am using a black marker pen to draw on the OHP sheet on the leaf. You can draw the design as shown. If you like this idea, please do give it a big thumbs up. Do let me know if you have any doubts by commenting below. I shall try to answer all your queries. I have took a golden paper and cut it according to the size of the foam sheet. Take the golden paper, place it on top of the leaf shape and trace it with the help of back of the pencil so that you can make a cutout. Cut this with the help of the crafting blade. Now stick the golden paper behind the foam sheet with the help of hot glue or Fevibond. We are going to make a sphere like this and then attach this with the help of stapler by pinning it up. Take a small piece of black foam sheet, apply Fevibond on the lampshade made and then stick it on the foam sheet. Cut the excess of the foam sheet, and this is basically to form the base of the lampshade. I usually place an LED candle inside it. It looks just beautiful. You can also place other LED string lights inside it. They will look awesome. I hope you like this idea. Until our next video, please do take good care of yourself. Bye.